Hello, Jerry and Rory. Nice to meet you. My name is Alexis. I'm 25. I live in Lyon, in France. We don't know each other, but I know you a little bit by your songs and also thanks to the internet. I can follow your life and more recently your illness. So I had the idea to try to send you a message of support and some kind of tribute to your beautiful career. And so I asked Gabby Ibanez, I think you know him already. He created a dance called JR, which is danced on your song All You Need Is Me, which is a great song, by the way. And this dance is really danced in a lot of places in France, in Spain, Italy, Belgium, Austria. And so we ask people in clubs where they dance country line dance if they would be okay to send us their videos while dancing JR. So we can make kind of mixtape to show you how many people dance JR and like your song, because many people love your songs. So I hope this message could bring you maybe some happiness, a smile, and bring you some peace for your life and for your family maybe. I hope you'll enjoy it. What to say, I just love your songs and I'll always listen to it, and I think people will also. Thank you for everything you have done and just congratulations.
Hello, Joy and Rory.
Hello everyone,
Soc Gavi Báñez.
I am Paqui.
Parlaré en català, és el meu idioma i és amb el que em puc expressar més quan vull parlar amb el cor. Som d'un petit poble de Barcelona, a Catalunya, que és a Europa, i des d'allà doncs, volem fer-te arribar que la vostra música ens ha inspirat molt. Tenim molta referència amb vosaltres com a parella, amb la vida privada, perquè sou tan oberts i ens feu arribar a través de molts mitjans la vostra vida, i també us admirem com a parella musical. Llavors, amb la vostra música ens ha inspirat fer un ball com a instructors que som de Line Dance, amb Country Music, i aquest ball, que és el JR, amb això hem volgut compartir la música que estimem, que és la vostra, de Joy and Rory, d'acord? I Alexis, un amic de Lyon, doncs ens va donar l'empenta per fer aquest tribut, d'acord? I vam fer aquesta pàgina de suport i hem reunit vídeos a diferents llocs on treballen el ball que vam fer aquí jo, que es diu JR. Bé, amb això us volem enviar molta energia, molta força i fer entendre una miqueta que des d'Europa us seguim, us estimem i compartim aquestes ganes de sentir aquesta música tan maca que feu vosaltres. I vull que sentiu aquesta força d'alguna manera i que pensem en vosaltres. Un petó molt fort per Indiana i un petó molt fort per vosaltres dos.
This is a little tribute for you. I love you.
You're sure You've got the buckle, you've got the Stetson. You've got the buckle, you've got the Stetson cowboy. All you need is me. You've got the hope, you've got the sun, you've got the dimples, you've got the fun, you the best can be. Hey, you're sure to look